Hello, fellow achievers. Today, we are diving into the top financial goals you must set and accomplish by the year 2025. As we move into a new era, it's crucial to make sure our financial futures are secure and thriving. Follow along as we unveil the 9 essential financial goals you simply cannot afford to overlook. Goal 1. Establish a solid emergency fund. Prepare for life's uncertainties by setting aside a fund that covers at least 6 months of living expenses. This safety net will shield you from unexpected financial storms. Goal 2. Budgeting. Create a detailed budget and stick to it. Understand where your money is going and make conscious decisions about your spending habits. A budget is your roadmap to financial success. Goal 3. Pay off high-interest debt. Break free from the shackles of debt by prioritizing high-interest balances and paying them off systematically. Imagine the weight lifted off your shoulders once you are debt-free. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Goal 4. Invest for the future. Take advantage of compounding interest by investing early and consistently. Whether it's in stocks, real estate, or retirement accounts, let your money work for you. Goal 5. Save for retirement. Start saving for your golden years now to ensure a comfortable and stress-free retirement. Make use of employer-sponsored plans and individual retirement accounts to secure your financial future. Goal 6. Increase your income. Explore opportunities for career growth, additional streams of income, or side hustles. Boosting your income will accelerate your progress towards financial independence. Goal 7. Prioritize experiences over material possessions. Invest in memorable experiences that add value to your life, rather than material possessions that depreciate in value. Cherish moments with loved ones and create lasting memories. Goal 8. Save for your children's education. Secure your children's future by starting a college fund early. Education is a gift that will last a lifetime and empower your children to reach their fullest potential. Goal 9. Seek professional advice. Collaborate with financial advisors, planners, or mentors to gain valuable insights and tailor strategies to your unique financial situation. Knowledge is power when it comes to financial planning. As we set our sights on 2025, remember that financial success is within reach. By setting and achieving these 9 crucial financial goals, we pave the way for a prosperous and fulfilling future. Join me on this journey towards financial empowerment, and let's make 2025 our year of financial triumph.